Hello learners, today we are going to learn assignment problem and I will teach you how to solve this step by step. So this is my sum where I have 5 jobs and I have 5 workers, and here I need to assign one job to one worker. These are the time that they take. So now I am trying to reduce the time to allocate the overall job. So if I just see this sum, it is a balanced matrix. In simple terms, jobs is equal to workers. So you can say it that one job will be allocated to one worker. So now for solving this sum, we need to first go solving it by finding the minimum value. So you can see here the minimum values in row. First A row is 65, in B row is 66, in C row is 57, in D row it's 60, and in E row is 56. So I will try to solve it by making a reduced matrix. Reduced matrix means what? I will subtract this 65 from all other elements of the row. So I will get like 85 minus 65, that will give me 20. 75 minus 65, that will give me 10. 65 minus 65, that will give me 0. 125 minus 65, that will give me 60. And 75 minus 65, that will give me 10. Same way I will subtract the second element, that is 66, from the B elements of other row. So 90 minus 66 will give me 24. 78 minus 66 will give me 12. 66 minus 66 will give me 0. 132 minus 66 will give me 66. And 78 minus 66 will give me 12. Same way, I will subtract 57 from the elements of C row. So 57 minus 75, that will be 18. 66 minus 57, that will give me 9. 57 minus 57 will be 0. 114 minus 57 would be 57. 69 minus 57 would be 12. Same way for D, I will subtract this minimum number of value, that is 60, from all elements of D row. So 80 minus 60, that will be 20. 72 minus 60, that would be 12. 60 minus 60, that would be 0. 120 minus 60, that would be 60. And again 72 minus 60, that would be 12. Same way, last row is E. I will subtract 56 from the elements of E row. So 76 minus 56, that would be 20. Same way, 64 minus 56, that would be 8. Same way, 56 minus 56 would be 0. 112 minus 56 would be 56, and 68 minus 56, again it would be 12. So you can say this is my row wise reduced matrix ready, and now I will try to reduce column wise. So in P, what is a minimum element? So you can see here the minimum element is 18. In Q, the minimum element is 8. Obviously in R, every 0 is a minimum element, so this would not make any difference. In S, row wise minimum element is 56, and in T, the row wise minimum element is 10. Okay, so now we will convert that reduced matrix. So obviously 20 minus 18, that would be 2. 24 minus 18, that would give me 6. 18 minus 18 would be 0. 20 minus 18, that would be 2. Again 20 minus 18, that would be 2. Same way, 10 minus 8, that would give me 2. 12 minus 8, that would again give me 4. 9 minus 8, that would give me 1. 12 minus 8, that would give me 4. And yes, 8 minus 8 would give me 0. Same way, this R was having all 0, so I am writing same R column 0. 60 minus 56 will give me 4. 66 minus 56 will give me 10. 57 minus 56 will give me 1. 60 minus 56, that will give me 4. And yes, 56 minus 56 would give me 0. Same way here, the minimum element was 10. So 10 minus 10 would give me 0. 12 minus 10 would give me 2. Same way, 12 minus 10 would give me 2. 10 minus 12 would give me 2. And 10 minus 12 would give me 2. So now see, you can see now each row and each column has 1 0. Like for example, if I just say in this row, yes, these are 0, 1 0 is available. In this row, 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 1 0 is available. Same way in column also check it. 1 0 should be there. So now, yes, I can start my allocation. So suppose if I am starting allocation, remember the rule, एक म्यान में एक तलवार, जंगल में एक शेर. If there is more allocation, you try to, more number of 0, you try to change the row. So now for example, in this case, you just see row wise. In A row, there are 2 0. So first leave that row. In the second row, yes, only 1 0 is there. Allocate that row. Allocate that 0. Once you have allocated R work to B, you cannot allocate to any other. So yes, scratch all this. Now see here, the third C row, yes, now only 1 0 is there. Give allocation to C. Now come to D row, there is no allocation. Yes, come to E row, again 2 allocation is there. So now go to again column wise allocation. Yes, it has only 1 allocation. Yes, Q, you can give 1 allocation here. This would catch this. And last again it has 1 allocation. It does not have any allocation, but yes, now you can see here there is number of allocation not equal to number of rows. So this is a problem, because every worker should get one job, but in this scenario there is one job which is not allocated. That you can see that S job or maybe S worker is not getting any work. So for this reason we have to follow one rule, and these rules are very simple. First, always remember, this is a condition that we have faced. See here, our number of allocation is 4 but workers are 5. So here in this scenario there is like unequal allocation. So in this scenario, first rule is tick the row with no 0 assignment, or you can say tick the row with no assignment. So in this scenario, this is my D row which is not having any assignment. You check here, there is no assignment. इस पे assignment नहीं है. The second rule is, in that row find crotch 0 and tick all the columns. So see here, this is my row. Now find the crotch 0, that is crossed 0, and tick that column. So this is my second right. Yes, moving towards the third important thing, in that ticked column find the allocated 0 and tick that you can say row. Okay, and yes, once this has been done, you need to draw a lines. So now first always remember, for rows draw a line of non-ticked columns. So you can see here, this is not ticked, this is not ticked, this is not ticked. Okay, draw a line passing through a rows which is not ticked. Now second thing, draw a line of ticked column. So R is a ticked column. So you can see here every zero is covered. In simple terms, every zero is on line. Now again after this rule, you need to see the second rule. Find the minimum number not on line. We need to find a minimum number which is not on line. So you can see here 2 is a minimum number which is actually not on a line. After this, we need to create iteration 1. We need to make a new table. We need to now reframe this structure in a new table. So yes, again I am giving a same hint. Now what we need to do, the minimum number, that is 2, is subtracted from numbers which are not on line. The second thing, at intersection means where the cross or maybe where the plus sign occurs, you have to add that minimum number and subtract from numbers which are not on line. One more rule, at line the number should be kept as it is. So see here in this scenario, 2 number is on line, so keep it as it is. This 2 number is on line, keep it as it is. But see here, this is on intersection. Intersection means it is making a plus sign. So here, what is a minimum number, that is 2? Just give plus 2. Same way here, 4 is on line, keep it as it is. 0 is on line, keep it as it is. Now see here, from 6 we will subtract 2, that will give me 4. From 4 we will subtract 2, that will give me 2. Again 0 is on line, don't touch. 10, again it's not on line, so subtract 2. 2 again is not on line, subtract 0. 2 minus 2 makes 0. See now this is on line, C column. Yes, keep it as it is. 1 is on line, keep it as it is. Again here there is intersection, so plus 2. 0 plus 2, 2. 1 as it is, 2 as it is. Same way 2 minus 2 will make 0. 4 minus 2 will make 2. Again 0 is on line. 4 minus 2 will make 2. 2 minus 2 will make 0. See the last row, 2 is on line, keep it as it is. 0 is on line. But yes, this 0 has intersection, so give 2. This 0 as it is, this 2 as it is. So this is my first iteration. This is my first iteration matrix. Now again I will start allocation. Again I will give allocation. So yes, I will first start with row wise A row. You can see only 1 0, just allocate it. If I allocate it, this would be crest. In second, yes, only 1 0, allocate it. This would be crest. In C, yes, only 1 0, allocate it. This would be crest. And yes, this row has crest off. And yes, E, only 1 0, but this would be crest. Now see here, again the same problem has arrived. Again the same problem has arrived. You can see here now there is again only 4 allocation, and yes, we have 5 people. So again follow the same rule, again follow the same principle and start doing the assignment. So again the rule, I am repeating it. First thing, tick the row with no assignment. So row with no assignment, you can see here this is a row D which is not having any assignment, tick that row. The second thing, in that row find the cratched element. So here this column I will tick, this column I will tick, and this column I will tick. The third important thing, in that column try to find the allocated cell and tick that row. So you see here this column has this allocation, this column has this allocation, and I think this column has this allocation, and this column has Okay, this column has no allocation, so E is not having allocation. You can see here this row has this allocation, so I have ticked here. uh, this row has this allocation, so I have ticked here, and this row has this allocation, so I have ticked here. It is not ticked. Now again, yes, pass the line which is not having any allocation, pass the line which is not having any allocation. So sorry, pass the line which is not having any tick. So this line, this is my first line. The second thing, pass the line through the ticked rows. So this is first line, this is my second line, this is my third line. See, all the zeros are within my boundary. Now again tick the smallest element, and make your first iteration table. So now I am making a first iteration table in this sheet. So yes, you check here, 2 is in line, so I am keeping it as it is. 4 is on line, so I am keeping it as it is. 0 is on line, so I am keeping it as it is. Again 0 is on line, I will keep it as it is. But yes, here 2 is in intersection, so I will add the minimum number. So 2 plus 1, that will give me 3. Same way in this Q column, I will, like, it is not on line, so I will subtract 1. So 2 minus 1 would give me 1. 2 minus 1 would give me 1. 1 minus 1 would give me 0. 2 minus 1 would give me 1. And yes, 0 is on line, so it is as it is. Same way, R is on line, like R variables are on line. So 2 is on line, so I will keep it as it is. 0 as it is, 2 as it is, 0 as it is. But yes, this 2 is on intersection, so I will add 1, that will make 3. Now in S, because it is not on line, so 4 minus 1, that will give me 3. 8 minus 1 will give me 7. 1 minus 1 will give me 0. 2 minus 1 will give me 1. Again 0 is as it is. Yes, T line or T column has all the variables on line, but yes, there is one intersection. So 0, 0, 2, 0 and 2 plus 1, that will make 3. Now again I will start allocating it. So in this A row, only 1 0 is there, so I will allocate it. I will crash this, I will crash this. In B row, only 1 0 is there, so I will allocate it. So once allocated, I will crash this. In C there are 3 zeros, so I will keep now, I will not allocate. In D, yes, only 1 0 is there, so I will give 1 allocation in that row. In E there is 2 zeros, so I will keep it as it is. Now see here, this is a tricky thing. You have both the options, so now you have to take a call. First allocate this Q to C, crash this, and so now see here, all the 5 has allocation, all the 5 people have 5 jobs. So now we have to just select or maybe see the question, and now we need to get the time. So yes, P has got the job D, that is 80. Q has got job C, that is 66. R has got job B, so again it is 66. S has got job E, that is 112. And T has got job A, that is 75. Just do the summation, just hold. So now we will do the summation. So 80 plus 66 plus again 66 plus 112 plus 75. So you got the correct answer, 399. This sum is of J.K. Sharma. You can refer it But yes, hopefully you got the sum. Thank you students. Stay connected to my channel.